Foot and toe wounds are typically very difficult to get an airtight seal. Skin on many feet is compromised, thick, and sometimes moist. Many times, the sandwich technique is appropriate, especially if the wound is from an amputated toe or if it is in between the toes. The sandwich technique describes sandwiching the wound and surrounding toes in between two pieces of transparent film. Place a piece of transparent film on the bottom plantar of the foot that will cover the wound and toe or toes next to it. Then apply another piece of transparent film on top, dorsal, part of the foot to sandwich the wound and the toes next to the wound. Then you are able to cut the hole over the wound and place the fit pad, or you can then bridge over the transparent film.